Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count back.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Sierato back at you one more time again, and I know you guys have been a little antsy. I see the comments on my Instagram and stuff, you know, people taking, you know, shooting shots or whatever. Oh, can't wait for this video to never drop. Oh yeah, shut up. You gonna come edit the video for me? No. Okay, so shut up, because I have been out and about creating all this content that I gotta edit. I got my new editor or whatever, you know, he's helping me out, whatever, but we can only do so much together. Plus, I'm on the road for the show, for events, all types of stuff. My December and November was insane. I was here for like a week total, maybe, something like that. It was crazy. And then the time I'm here, I still have to do my actual orders. A lot of you think that, oh, I only make shoes for YouTube and like it's not for anybody or anything like that. Like, no, everything I make is an order that somebody paid for. 60 to 100 other people on my wait list at any given point in time waiting for me to do their shoes. So there's 60 to 100 people at any given time that are texting me, DMing me, messaging me, yo, when'd you do mine? You gonna do mine yet? Did you do mine yet? Did you do mine yet? What time you get to mine? Did you ship mine yet? Did you yada yada? So there's all types of shit that I have to do that's not included in my YouTube experience, and it just gets a little boggled down. So I've had my hiatus or whatever. I got a couple videos lined up for you guys. We shot a bunch of stuff. I shot a bunch of vlog stuff on these trips, a bunch of new Q&A stuff. I know you guys wanted to get that, you know, because you're like, how do you do this? How do you do that? But I got your back, all right? But for this video, this is another banger. Okay, understand me when I say that. It's a banger. Thanks to the success of the last video, I got another 2 pairs of these in. So this is the first video. There will be a second one. So this is a subject matter I've never done, which is good for you guys because you get to see something I haven't done before. You know, it's not Dragon Ball Z or anything like that. And it took me forever to do these just because I couldn't get the concept that I wanted to do. Anyways, let's hop into it. You know, all you Street Fighter fans out there, you're gonna love this one. I'll catch you at the end. Oh, make sure you go and follow my Instagram, okay? Because you're missing a lot of shoes that I don't get to put up on here. I can't record everything, so you're missing a lot. Follow my Instagram. Look at the website, bro. If you want to buy something, website. Check it out, okay? Go buy something. On up, and I'm getting less and less available. So if you really actually want to get something for yourself, like, that's where you're gonna do it at. Because catching me on DMs or text messages or whatever it is nigh impossible at this point. So I have too much coming in. So make sure you just go to the website, find something you like, and buy it. And of course, last and not least, if you like this video, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe and drop a like, okay? Drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think about the video, let me know, you know, drop some fire emojis, drop whatever you want to put in there, okay? Let me know, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. See you later. First, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these bad boys. You gotta take them out the box, you gotta charge them up a little bit, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mask these off. I'm gonna tape everything off. I don't wanna get paint on, which is a lot more in this one than it was on the last pair. And I'm gonna go ahead and prep this shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and white out my entire background, okay? The whole thing has to get whited. Everything I'm gonna paint has to get whited over. So I'm gonna do that. That takes a bunch of layers. And then I'm gonna go ahead and find the reference materials, or the reference images that I need for my character portraits and my logos. And we're gonna jump into doing all that. Okay, now that we have all those reference materials found, I'm gonna go ahead and resize them to the right, you know, specs, place them on the shoe, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything is where it needs to be. now we have all of our stencils placed on the shoe. We're gonna go ahead and lay down the character line work for each character that I'm putting in here. It should be about 6 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out where they need to go at, and then start lining them up. Now we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and place my final stencils. These need to go on some of these trim sections here and on the inside of the shoe, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the entire background before we get into painting the characters. And just jump right into painting these characters in one at a time. It's a lengthy process, but gotta do it. Most of the shoe's basically done now. We're gonna go ahead and paint in our side logos and then just unmask the rest of the shoe. Not least, I'm going to go ahead and finish the final trim section, our Nike swoosh checks. We're going to turn those into our health bars and our hit markers, and then we're going to go ahead and just finish off any trim sections, clean anything up, and see what these bad boys look like.
sonic boom.